Hello there and welcome back to our channel. Do you want to learn how to play guitar? Do you want to know the strategies and tips to improve your guitar skills? If so, this video is for you. Today we give you the best books and tips to learn guitar. Book number 1. Guitar Exercises for Beginner, by Guitarhead. This first book is perfect for everyone looking to start playing guitar, giving you essential exercises to improve your skills. Tips: be disciplined with your guitar practice, set a time like 10 minutes a day where you focus deeply on learning to play, have fun, and remember that with time you will make progress. Book number 2. The First 100 Chords for Guitar, by Joseph Alexander. This next book is your ultimate guide to master the guitar chords you need to start playing, with great illustrations and exercises. Tips: master the essential chords, G major, C major, D major, and E minor, learn to switch between chords, and remember that practice makes perfect. Book number 3. Music Theory for Guitarists, by Tom Cole. This book shares practical guitar music knowledge to help you play better with great graphics and audio tape. Tips: be careful with music rhythm and how you should play chords. And know that learning about music theory will help you understand how you can perform best. Book number 4. Guitar Aerobics, a 52-week, 1-lick per day workout program, by Troy Nelson. This book helps you master playing and switching between chords. Tips: train your hand and learn the different guitar techniques, alternate picking, arpeggios, sweep picking, string skipping, legato, string bending, and rhythm guitar. Book number 5. Guitar Fretboard, memorize the fretboard in less than 24 hours, by Guitarhead. This last book gives you the best strategies and exercises to quickly master the fretboard. Tips: memorizing your fretboard help you unlock all chords, improvise and write your own guitar songs. Remember to have fun and get inspiration in your journey. Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment which of these 5 books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other great books to learn guitar? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know your book's recommendation. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss the upcoming videos. Let us know in the comment if you start learning guitar. Wishing you all the best in your journey. See you.